Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Devon, and what we're doing today, we're going to get into this truck behind me. The Chevy Silverado 1500, and what we're going to do today is lower the back end. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Stay tuned. Check out the video. Alright, as you can see, the difference in the space. This is the rear. And you see all that space compared to this space? It's a difference, and you can actually see the lean a little bit, but all that space back there compared to that front, I don't like seeing all that. So we're gonna change it up. Underneath the rear of the truck, exactly the part that we're gonna be removing is this block right here. This block is the total inches that's gonna go down, so maybe it's like 2 inches or 1.5 inches, but we're gonna be removing this. So we're gonna unloosen these screws from this U-bolt, and when we jack it up, it's gonna create some space to where we'll be able to slide this piece out, this block out, and then we're gonna leave this on. We're not gonna completely take it off, just need enough space. So once we remove it, jack it up, slide it out. Once we slide it out, we'll bring it back down. This piece here has a coupler that's gonna fit right back into this area, and we'll show you as we go. All right, stay tuned. We got it jacked up on jack stands. We got good security. Got 2 for one side. So it's the part. This is where we at right now. We got the U's right here. It's the block we're gonna be removing, and as you can see, we got the bolts untightened, but I'm not taking them off because I just need a little room to get this off. So I may have to use a jack to jack it up a little bit, snatch it out, and then lower it back down, tighten it back up, and we'll be on. As you see, we don't have to take one off because the jack wouldn't go high as we wanted to, but we had to lift up on these springs. Here's the block, and we take the block out. And as you can see, there's a coupler right there. That coupler is gonna fit right back into that hole at the top. As you can see here, the block has a coupler, the exact opposite, female to male, and it's gonna go right back there. Now we're gonna tighten it back down, tighten it back up. I said we'll leave it on, and we should be level. And then we'll do the other side. We got the back. This is the rear. All right, the rear measures out about a little close to 7.5. So this is the rear, and we're gonna go ahead and measure out the front. Not quite even, but it's down lower than it was previously. So let's go take a measurement to the front. All right, the back was like 7.5, and the front is like right at pretty much 6.5, close to 6. So it's a difference. It's a better look than it was previously. As you can see behind me, we finally got that thing lowered, man. I'm a fan of that. That's what I like. I like to see it level, and that's what we did. So, quick summary of what we did. We went to the rear, we lowered the rear. We went through by doing the leaf springs. We took the block out, we removed the U-bolts, and I'm gonna tell you right now, the possibility that those U-bolts may not be reusable. You may have to go to an auto parts store and purchase them. They're about 25 bucks for a set, and come in a box like this. So depending on which kind you have, you may have a different kind. Just make sure you get the right ones. But like I said, you may not be able to replace them. You can go to an old tread shop and get them retreaded, but it's up to you. I decided to go with a new one. But as you can see, the treads are worn out. They're gone. But God made it to where we can go purchase new ones for a cheap price. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We got plenty of things to watch. Thank you for watching this video. Check out that new look. Oh yeah, that's me.